No, you're not getting a Bobo.
Really have a place to play. Hold it, hang on. The stormwater and it overflows.
Me and my youngest daughter made French toast bake the other day, and clearly it was a hit. I have French toast and some fruit. If you guys want the recipe for this, let me know, because I will absolutely do that for you and put it in the comments. Ready?
Yeah.
So it's like 12:30. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed to take the older kids to the library, and that's gonna be how we're gonna do school today. Let's see if this works this time. Ooh, it worked this time.